TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here. This is the 3 p.m. Tiger Financial News Network update, and we're looking at the Dow up 41 at 31,427, a new all-time high, and that's really important. Look at these candles. This is on the left side is the daily chart. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the seventh green candle. Of course, the day is young. Anything can happen, but it did break above this resistance line called Chapman Wave Inside Track Resistance Repellent line. We've gone above it. This is a good sign, but it needs to close decisively in the 31,530 area to say, hey, now you've turned that whole 31,200, 31,000 area into support. Weekly chart in the middle is still looking good. And then monthly chart has extended that leg C in the Chapman Wave. I'll discuss in a moment. As soon as we get back, I'm going to be doing the Tom O'Brien show. I'm the guest host today, and it's my pleasure to be there. So I'll be discussing the waveform and the Chapman Wave methodology. Look at the S&P. The S&P has also just squeaked to a new all-time high. And this could just be a single leg to the upside, and we always expect at least 4. So far, this is very good action, up $1.84 at 39.17 after being a little bit weak. The weekly chart is very strong. Monthly chart is only in leg B, and the Chapman Wave, we're always looking for at least a leg D before it can culminate as a buy mode. Look at the QQQ, that's the index 100, up 47 cents at 334.04. Very strong action here. Weekly chart is extended. Monthly chart is still very strong. The IWM, which is the Russell 2000, just been on a huge tear. It's up 133 at 228.63. New all-time high, well above that trend line resistance. The same kind of trend line resistance this time is quite far above it, making the 225 area good support over the next few days. Weekly chart strong. Monthly chart is still very strong. Gold is up $3.7 at 1837. It's stuck in this range. It's not really breaking down, but it's not breaking to the upside, but it is holding quite well. Look, daily chart, weekly chart, monthly chart is having a big rest after that massive move to 2100 in the continuous contract. The dollar is really struggling, but look, crude oil. This is something we'll talk about as soon as the show comes up. The Tom O'Brien show coming up next. Crude oil is up 47 cents at a recovery high. This is really strong action at 58.37. We're going to talk about that. Look at that daily, look at that weekly, and the monthly is improving a lot. Basil Chapman sitting in for Tom O'Brien coming up for the Tom O'Brien show in another couple of minutes. Hope you can be there. Now is up to